Hi, I'm Emily with Solar Zenith. The solar flare can be assembled in about a minute. Begin by removing the lid from the pail and the items inside. Then remove the contents from inside the plastic riser. Unfold the bag and place next to the cooking vessel. Place the twist tie next to the bag to be used later. Place the lid on the plastic riser. To form the reflective funnel, join together the two sides by using the three fasteners. Place the funnel in the pail, then place the plastic riser at the base of the funnel. We're now ready to cook.